Let's take a look at number 24. It says identify the graph of the function. And let's first do it on the calculator. Then we'll do it by hand. I'm going to press my y equals, clear, and then 2 to the x key. So I do 2 caret and then x. And then graph. Looks like it passes through 1. So I'll come over here. There's two possibilities. Looks like B and C kind of look like that, and they both pass through 1. But this one's a little further out, so it looks like it's C. So it'd be 24C. And that'd be our answer. Okay, so let's talk about how to do this by hand. I'm not going to do a whole lot of it by hand. I may just do like part of the problem. I'm not big into plotting points. Okay, so we got 24. F of x is equal 2 to the x. Well, to begin with, this can never equal to 0, so I know it's going to, my asymptote's going to be the x-axis, if it's not shifted or anything. So let's just create some data points using t-chart. If I put in negative 2 for the x, then I'd have 2 to the negative 2, which is 1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4. Put in negative 1, I'd have 2 to the negative 1, which is 1 over 2 to the first, which is 1/2. If I put in 0, anything to the 0 power is 1. And if I put in 1, 2 to the first would be 2. If I put in 2, 2 squared would be 4. And 2 to the third, I guess I'm doing more of it than I said I was going to. Like that. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this way, like that. Okay, so negative 2, 1/4. Be something like that. Negative 1, 1/2. A little bit higher, about halfway mark. 0, 1. It'd be right there. 1, 2. Right there. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. My eyes don't get off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. And 3, 8. It'd be right there. And if you miss any of the points, like I am, just make your point a little bit bigger. That's called the big dot theorem. And since this is an asymptote, I know it's skimming this, so it's going to be going like that. So that's how you can graph it by hand.